We're game, bro. Game na to. Let's go. Sana I have my controls back. Let's go. I have my controls back. Let's go. Ang ina ito na. Let's go. Wahahaha. Okay, love. Ano ba? Nauuna ang puta. Nauuna tong gagawin ko. Okay, that's the exit. Not the exit. Okay. Putang ina naman, oh, mawawala na, mamamatay na ako. No, mamamatay na ako, bro. Mamamatay na ako, tignan mo. Recharge muna ako. Putang ina mo, nagulat ako, kayo. Okay, stop saying bad words, just, ano, anak ng toko yung gano'n. Okay. So di nila binuksan yung fuse kasi bobo sila. Just we're gonna flashlight. Okay, yung tatakbo ko eh. Doesn't matter where. Oh my god, whoa. Okay, wait. Kasi nain nyo lang yung gagong yan. Hey bro, calm the fuck down. Ano? I better run. Wala na akong flashlight, mga sira ulo kayo. Kasi I'm gonna die, man. Saan yung isang fuse? Did we miss something? Okay, nawala yung gago, so magte-teleport na siya. So I don't know where he's gonna teleport, pero okay, good. Okay, good, now escape. Yes. Good, bro. Okay, let's go round 2. La! Are you fucking serious? Oh my god. Tangina, start ng game ko. Nawalan ako ng stamina. This game sucks. Yeah guys, we need to fucking go upstairs. Okay, whoa. Calm the fuck down. Wait lang, so goodbye. Bye guys. I love you all. It's not the ano. Pero nakita ko na ata yung exit. Yep, that's the exit. Open na ba to? Hindi pa open. Can you check upstairs? Pag namamatay, it means nagte-teleport siya. So yeah, I'm gonna open this fuse box. Kala ko generator to eh. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna stay up here. Eh, ako na lang ba? Wait. Am I the only one now? Okay, no, wala pa pala. Ilang recharge muna ako. Bro, please help. Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to help you guys. Exit, okay, that's... Oh! Okay, bro, okay. Saan na yung ano? Wait, am I the only one now? Wala, ako na lang. Which sucks. Oh, ano, I have the power of light. Can you get the fuck out of here? I think I'm gonna die, mate. I'm almost losing shit. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay, we're back. We're back online. No stupid things happen here. At nasira that's dead. This guy's doing the bunny hop. Tell me guys kung nandiyan na yung ano. Oh yeah, that's the exit. May fuse box pa dito. Kasi tumakbo. Automatic na tumatakbo. Parang tanga naman. Clear. Clear. Where's the bitch? Oh, whoa. Okay, wala. Okay, we're good. We're chillers here. Hintayin mo ako. Hindi naman ako iwan. So guys, nawala lang yung audio ko. Nakalimutan ko mag-record, which is sucks. So yeah, I'm just walking here. So, tahimik lang tayo kasi may tao sa ano. Baka marinig ako sabihin na may nababaliw sa kwarto. I should find it. I don't know. Okay, whoa. Chill. Okay, ito yung exit. Good. So, dito muna yung video na magtatapos. So, like and subscribe guys. Yeah. Goodbye.